Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today's video I will show you how to make these beautiful peacock feather earrings. Materials required for this are 2 peacock feathers, then 4 beads, earring hooks and 2 jump rings, then scissors, fevicol or sellotape. So let's get started. First of all, I am taking one peacock feather and cutting it, and then again I am going to cut the extra part from it, and only from upside that pointed part should be remaining in this way. And then I am folding it backward in this way. After folding, I am taking a very thin piece of sellotape, see, in this way, and wrapping it around it. Now I am inserting the white bead in it. The upper part of this peacock feather should be pointed so that the bead can get inside it easily. Now I am going to insert the another bead. It's done. Now I am taking one jump ring and inserting it in this way. And I am inserting the earring hook in the jump ring. So it's almost done. Now I am going to cut the extra part of that peacock feather in this way. Giving it a beautiful shape. Similarly, I have made the another pair. See how beautiful it's looking. Thanks for watching my video. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.